Hello and welcome to our day number 10 of our challenge for February 2019. Today we are lettering visit nature more often. And you know, nature is an artist, so you can get inspired by her. Enjoy! For today we are using markers, watercolor markers, and these two fine liners to do the outlines. They are different in sizes. The tip is bigger and smaller. We are using these colors for nature: green, pink, yellow, brown. And these are brush markers. This is because the tip is bigger than a normal one. But you know, remember you can use whatever medium you like. I am using also washi tape to fix the paper so it doesn't move. We need paper, of course, and I traced the layout before, so tracing the final piece is easier. I am using the light pad, but if you don't have one, don't worry, you can use a paper, tracing paper that is a little bit transparent, so you can see the layout. So have fun! We are starting painting some leaves and some flowers to make a frame. Now I am moving the layout because I want the word visit a little bit more centered, and that is the most amazing thing of tracing the layout before doing the final piece. You can adjust the letters, the sizing, and the position of the letter, the placement. Ton, how beautiful is nature, don't you think? I love nature. I love to take long walks in nature, and I get inspired so much by her wisdom. Have a lovely day. Bye.